For the love of all beautiful and functional recreational vehicles, we decided to tour the luxurious off-road van, the Airstream Interstate 24x. Is $264,900 a fair price for a van whose driver cabin can be converted to a bed? What if we said there are many more features that make this camper van worth its price? Take a look at the off-road van, Airstream Interstate 24x.
Motorhome luxury.
Interstate 24x is a marvel to behold. Starting from the exterior of the camper van, we can see it's beaming to life with a solid Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 extended all-wheel drive for its chassis. Starting from the bottom of the van upwards, we have the thick, knobby tires for better traction on off-road terrains. These tires are extendable and well-balanced for the roads. Right above the tires, the Airstream Interstate also features an electric step that goes across the entire campsite side of the van's rig. The electric steps are attached to the heavy bottom of the touring couch. This tough bottom gives the van extra balance and heaviness, and in terms of design, it balances out with the other features of the van. When it comes to functionality, the bottom part keeps away the rocks and debris from the main body of the van. This saves the camper van from early wear and tear, providing durability and a consistent black look to match the tires. Now moving on to the front exterior of the Interstate 24x, which features lush LED headlights as a part of the aesthetic design of the Airstream Interstate. The lights are good enough to light up the entire road, making it the perfect safety feature on the van. The last thing any driver needs are poorly lit headlights on an off-road journey, as this could be a safety hazard. This is merely the beginning, as the Airstream 24x also has a small, almost invisible sensors built into the front of the van, right under the LED headlights. These sensors are parking sensors that help drivers avoid trees and obstacles when trying to park on the Airstream Interstate. These parking sensors are also on the back bumper of the van for the same purpose. Still, on the front exterior, we can see the tow piece, painted black to match the lower bottom of the Interstate 24x. This tow piece gives drivers a platform to stand on when they need to clean the windshield, forehead, and the top of the Interstate 24x. We will go on to the diesel tanks of the Airstream Interstate. The van has a Mercedes-Benz 2.0-liter, 4-cylinder high-output diesel engine with the 24.5 gallons capacity. The camper van also produces 208 horsepower, 332 pound-foot torque, and a transmission of 9G Tronic Plus automatic. Instead of the conventional side mirrors, the Interstate 24x Adventure van has cameras for better visibility of the side lanes. As for the fuel fill, it is right next to the driver's door, and for added measures, the door has to be opened before it can be opened. Down the side of the van, there is a macerated tank that functions as a garbage disposal, called the black water tank, that holds 11 gallons of garbage. This tank chops up the waste matter that forms the black water and pumps it out. There is also a smart power plug on the lower bottom side of the Airstream Interstate 24 GT, a space to fill up your LP tank, a grill connection, and one solar port on the driver's side to charge the camper van's lithium batteries. The exhaust for the generators on the bottom is also designed to match the van's design, just like all the other utilities. The Airstream Interstate also has an efficient hydronic furnace and a hot water system. The Timberline heat and hot water system provides the luxuries of home in even the most adverse conditions. The back of the van might be the most amazing yet. Here, there are two cameras, one with the Mercedes-Benz, which is connected to their infotainment center, and this camera does a 360 view of the van. Airstream added the second camera, which ties to the rear view mirror area, where the mirror was replaced with a monitor. There are also parking sensors in the back, just like on the front bumper to help with parking. The hitch is also on full display at the back of the van. The back doors of the luxury off-road vehicles provide a massive amount of gear storage. The space can fit kayaks, fishing poles, bicycles, motorcycles, etc. There is also a connection point for an exterior shower in case you need to clean off your bike, a pet, or even yourself after a long day of adventures. Interstate 24x makes use of the aluminum aircraft L-track storage system on the walls, ceiling, and floor, creating a highly flexible storage and securing solution for all your gear. The backspace also houses two outlets. The first is a 10-volt outlet, and the second is a 12-volt one, and there are docking lights. In the event that you want to keep the doors open, there is a screen on the roof of the van that comes down and acts as a bug repellent. Another intelligent feature of the van is the built-in speakers on the doors that work via Bluetooth, called resonator speakers. The Airstream Interstate also comes with an awning with LED lights attached to brighten up the space. There is also a seismic sensor on the awning, allowing it to recognize strong winds and retract to prevent any accidents. The total length of the luxury off-road vehicle is 24 feet 6 inches, height is 9 feet 9 inches, and the overall width is 6 feet 7.5 inches. The tank capacities are also quite large, with 23 gallons of fresh water, 24 gallons of gray, and 11 gallons of black water from the kitchen sinks and bathrooms. The low-profile shape of the Airstream Interstate gives it a bottle-like appearance and helps with wind resistance to reduce the draft on the vehicle for a safer and smoother driving experience on the road. The shape of the Airstream also improves the efficiency of a tow vehicle, providing up to 20% compared to travel trailers of the same size. Now that we have had a good look at the exterior of the Interstate 24x, let's take a look at the inside of the motorhome. If you were impressed with the outside of the van, wait till you see this beauty and functionality working together on the inside. So let's take a look. The inside of the Airstream Interstate 24x is just as modern as the outside, considering how it comes with appliances, climate control, and entertainment systems. The touring van is a home away from home, as it has everything you need and love. Starting from the driver's cockpit, here you can control the phone, radio, and the entire screen on one side of the motor diagnostics on the other. If there is a need to change something, the van is equipped with voice recognition, so there is almost no reason for your eyes and hands to leave the road and steering wheels. There is a lot of storage overhead on the driver and passenger sides of the van. The flooring on the front is a rubber carpet that is precisely designed to fit the rugged lifestyle of adventurers. These carpets are easy to clean and maintain, so they are a great addition to the van's interior. The furniture is carefully placed to allow easy movement and efficient use of the available space. The seats in the luxury van are covered with high-quality leather for comfort. Countertops are made to perfection with a solid surface. The cabinets are a wonder of their own, as each is made to fit and close seamlessly. Once closed, these cabinets appear as part of the body design and don't stand out awkwardly. There is also the option to customize your camper van however you would like, by adjusting everything from the models to the van's color, floor plan, decor, options, and even the add-ons that come with your purchase. The heated seats in the adventure van are also a significant comfort. They are an ultra leather product, and unlike actual leather, it has low maintenance. The chairs are covered in black with red accents, which really make them stand out in the motorhome. One thing that we have on the Airstream Interstate is dual functionality for the driver's cabin. The cabin can, in fact, be converted into an excellent and comfortable bed. The driver's seat can also turn a full 180 degrees to face a small foldable table that can be used as a workspace or eating area while on the road. The passenger area can also be turned to face the interior of the Interstate 24x. There is also a racking system where you can place a table for any purpose, work, dining, or even to study. The kitchen or galley is another space on its own. The counter space is massive, easy to use, and much easier to clean. The van was built in such a way as to give significant consideration to the kitchen space because of how space-consuming cooking can be. The sink can be covered up to provide more counter space. The kitchen features a solid surface countertop, deep sink and cover, 2-burner propane cooktop, a microwave, and large storage cabinets provide the ultimate in functionality and effective space management, noted for their premium design touches. The Interstate 24x also comes with a built-in microwave if you want to cook something really quick, and it is very helpful for folks who don't like to cook or don't have the luxury of time. Down below, close to the ground, are drawers that offer additional storage. Above the drawers, there is a netting in front where you can store large items like pots, pans, food items, and whatever kitchen utensils you may want to keep close by and not in the drawers. The refrigerator in the kitchen makes everything much. It is compact, energy efficient, and doesn't generate so much heat. Other models of refrigerators usually need a vent to take out the hot air from the unit, but with Interstate 24x, there is no such thing. Towards the back of the van, we have the bathroom area called a wet bath. The wet bath is quite similar to some of the bathrooms in Europe. Here, the toilet and the bathroom are in the same area, as there is no designated space for both facilities. However, the bathroom on the Airstream 24x is as big as it can go in the space with a sink and a one-piece shower which minimizes the chances of leakages. This shower doubles as a hand and overhead shower, and there are soap dispensers on the wall for maximum space efficiency. After the bathroom, we have the living and sleeping space. The long space is split into 2x2 folding sofas or beds designed in black leather of the same materials as the driver's and passenger's seats. The vast convertible living and sleeping space gives seating space for 6 people and sleeping space for 2. This is customizable according to the clients. You can adapt for your needs. What makes it even better is that you have a chance to customize your Interstate 24x on the official website. The standard color is streamlined iridium silver metallic paint with durable protective body coating, but you can opt for the Tenorite gray metallic paint. Airstream also offers options on the red rock interior decor with eye-catching color and sleek designs to suit your taste. You can select from one decor option and go on to choose the optional features for your van to match. Bear in mind that customization will attract an extra cost than the base price of the van. If you are seeking premium luxury, then it's a small exchange. What part of the Airstream Interstate 24x stood out most? What's your favorite feature of the camper van? Let us know in the comments section. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next luxury motorhome.